Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV. As requested, today we're making the recipe of Kabuli Pulao. If you are new to this channel, make sure to follow my page for more amazing recipes. So I've got all my ingredients ready. I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of cooking oil, followed by 2 large chopped onions. Then few garlic cloves and stir until golden brown. Just like you have some makeup prep, I'm going to suggest you the fundamental spices prep that you need in Afghani Kabuli Pulao. Stir well, then add few drops of water and then cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Sizzling and spicy, we're going to add our lamb or mutton, choice is yours. I prefer lamb because it gives me like really nice taste. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can adjust the spices as per your likeness. Then I'm going to add some chopped lemon zest. This tastes divine. Make sure to mix for 5 minutes under medium flame. Then add 3 glasses of hot water followed by 1 chicken cube. Then cook it under pressure for 30 minutes. Now I'm adding the chopped carrot that I'm going to use on top of my Kabuli Pulao. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, saute it well. Then obviously going to add the hero element of the Kabuli Pulao, the raisins. There you go. Looks pretty amazing. So artistic. Right, once the meat is cooked, take it out and transfer the masala in a large pot. Then add the soaked rice that you prepared. I just soaked it for like 30 minutes and then added it. I'm going to cover it and cook it on high flame until the water dries out. Then I'm going to add the carrots and raisins on top. The rice is almost cooked. We just need to cook it under low flame for like 30 minutes. I'm going to add the meat on top. Hold on, we have something more to do. Adding some burnt coal, then going to pour a few drops of oil on top to give it the smoky flavor that we want, and going to cover it and cook it for 30 minutes. Hi there! We have our Kabuli Pulao ready. This smells divine and I cannot tell you how delicious this tastes. I'm sure you guys will love this recipe. This is a hit. Make sure to try it and do not forget to follow my page if you like this recipe. I shall see you next time with another new recipe. Until then, bye-bye!